Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a property in Envigado. Now this apartment was recently sold, so it's no longer available, but we're still going to go over on the map to show you where we are and what's around us, and you'll get an idea of what's available in this area of Envigado. So walking into this property, it is 113 square meters. This is the study/library area. It's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms apartment. And this, where we are right now, that's not one of the bedrooms there. So you would be able to convert that. If you needed another room, you would be able to convert that into another bedroom. You get the full kitchen there that we just walked past, a large laundry area, enough room for a washer dryer stack. And it's a full residential complex with 24/7 security, a social lounge, heated pools, both adult pools and kids pools. And then you also saw the basketball court there at the intro. And HOA fees are 605,000 pesos per month, which is about, I think, 165 US dollars, depending on the exchange rate on how it's acting on the day. And yeah, these are the type of, residential apartments that you'll find in Envigado. I feel like Envigado has a lot of residential living as opposed to certain parts of El Poblado, right? So we're gonna go finish the walkthrough here, and then I'll go over on the map to show you what's around you in this area and where exactly in Envigado we are. All right, so here's the property listed on our website. Again, it has been sold, but if you want to check out our website, go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. Down below is the map, so we'll show you where we are. We're in the northern part of Envigado. We're also on the lower parts of Envigado, which means it's all flat. And let me go to Google Maps here to show you. So we're zoomed out here. What you'll see immediately is this yellow orange outline. That's the neighborhood. We're in Jardines of Envigado. That's the neighborhood called Jardines. Other people refer to as Otra Parte, but on Google Maps it appears as Jardines. The blue area is where the property is generally located. And to kind of get a better understanding of where you are, this purple mark down here, this purple area, that's the central park, the main park of Envigado. You're about, I'd say, maybe 10 to 15 minutes away from Uber there. So let's show you what's around you. So there are some supermarkets around you. They're more like mom and pop shop supermarkets, so they don't really pop up here. But I'll zoom in, and you're right next to La Buena Mesa. If you've been to La Buena Mesa, you know that's where all the restaurants and cafes are of Envigado. So you're walking distance. Literally, this apartment was probably like 2 blocks away from La Buena Mesa. In terms of supermarkets, like a big chain, there is a Euro Market, which is right here. I'm kind of hovering it. It's about maybe 10 minutes walking distance, 15 minutes walking distance, probably like a $3 cab ride on Uber, to take back if you have a lot of groceries. And then right across from it, it doesn't appear here, but there's also a Carulla, so another supermarket. So you have 2 supermarkets relatively close by. You have 2 main roads as well. You have Carrera 43A, which goes north and south from Envigado up to El Poblado, as well as Avenida Las Vegas, which does the same thing, goes north and south up to El Poblado. This green area that you see that my camera kind of blocks a little bit, so I'll push it here. This is Viva Centro Comercial. That is the Viva Envigado Mall. If you know and you've been there, it's probably one of the better malls, I think, that Medellin has and Envigado has. They recently added IKEA, and then I didn't highlight it, but just on the other side of the mall, right here, just above me here on my camera, that's the Envigado metro station. So you're about 10 minutes, 15 minutes walking distance to both the metro station as well as the shopping mall here, because it's all flat, right? So again, you're in the Jardines neighborhood. It's residential, it's flat, and it's also very safe. That wraps it up for this apartment in the neighborhood Jardines in Envigado. If you guys are interested in something similar to this property, maybe you want something in Laureles or El Poblado, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.